recording, streaming, or interviewing. Here are 5 mics that make your voice sound crisp and clear. First, Mini Mic Pro Professional Microphone, $19.99. This tiny wireless lavalier delivers surprisingly clear audio for interviews, vlogs, and quick mobile recordings. Clip it on, pair fast, and enjoy hands-free capture with a discreet profile. It's ideal for creators who need portability and decent sound without complex setups. For run-and-gun filming or mobile interviews, this mic punches above its price. Second, DJI Microphone Ultralight Detail-Rich Cancelling, $169.99. This ultralight wireless system offers detailed capture and noise cancelling that isolates speech in busy environments. Reliable range and quick pairing make it a go-to for content creators on the move. Use it for run-and-gun shoots, outdoor interviews, and crisp voiceovers, a pro-level tool for creators who need consistent quality. Third, Professional Microphone Recording Interview Livestream, $29.99. A condenser mic built for clear online recording, live streams, and interviews. It offers good sensitivity and natural tonal response for voice work, with plug-and-play simplicity for beginners. If you are starting a podcast or live stream and want better sound than your built-in mic, this affordable condenser is a strong first upgrade. Fourth, JBL Wireless Microphone Dual Channel Receiver, $79.99. A dual-channel wireless kit with a receiver suited for interviews, presentations, and small events. It supports 2 transmitters simultaneously so you can mic a host and a guest with one receiver. Rugged and easy to set up, it's perfect for creators who film dialogues, conduct on-site interviews, or run hybrid instruction sessions. Fifth, FIFINE Microphone Headphones YouTube AmpliGame AM8, $49.99. USB mic bundle that includes headphones and is tailored for gaming, YouTube, and streaming. USB plug-and-play convenience, solid vocal clarity, and the included headphones make it a one-stop solution for content creation.